I'm freaking blown away. How did I get these curls with no heat on my first try? Watch. Let my hair air dry tonight. A little damp still, which is okay, because we're gonna try this thing, satin heatless curling set. Goes in the middle of your head. I'm just trying this straight out of the box, hoping for the best. Hair's parted down the middle. Let's see what happens. Okay, so you're supposed to take your first section of hair, wrap it around. Join this piece of hair, keep wrapping. You finish this, I'll be back. You just keep grabbing sections of hair from the back of the part, bringing it up forward, joining the piece that you already have, and wrapping around and around. It's really a pretty fast process. It just took me a second to get used to doing it. This looks great. You'll see me first thing in the morning, which is not gonna be pretty. We'll see what happens. Good morning, moment of truth. And pull it straight out. What? Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, let me tousle this a bit. Seriously, look at all this. I am totally gonna have to let this relax a bit, and then I'll show you a little bit later. Here's the finished product. Literally, I just touched up a few front pieces and it's loosened up everywhere else, and I used a texture spray and I cannot even believe it. Like, talk about effortless and no heat. I put this thing on overnight and this is what happened. Like, shocked. I'm shocked. Way to go, whoever invented this thing. Go get you one. Save this for later.